Hi, I'm Cheryl, and this is Andrea. I bought this place in 2017, and last year I decided I wanted to create a space for myself and renovate it and make it a home. Well, I heard about Rezt+Relax from a property agent who was helping me manage another property. Her recommendation was basically Rezt+Relax was a very reliable and efficient interior design firm. So she passed me the contact and we got in touch. So I work a lot at home so the study room is actually one of my favorite spots. And then when I'm stressed, I like to cook. So therefore the second place would be my kitchen. And then thirdly, the dining room, because when I cook, that's when everybody comes together. Alex and Zack, they were extremely helpful, extremely patient. There were some parts in the process where I honestly thought I was colorblind. I couldn't actually see the difference, but they would be, meticulously explaining it, even telling us what the right height should be for countertops and even the sinks and things like that. So I think that's really something that Alex and Zack also helped us along the way. So really, really much gratitude to Alex and Zack. And for Rezt+Relax, as a consumer, looking at the carpentry work and the lifetime guarantee, the hinge mechanisms and having everything, be so smooth, I think that's a perfect thing for us as consumers. Thank you, Rezt+Relax.